So we have the next question from exercise 6.3. First question, find the value of the unknown x in the following diagrams. So we have to find out the value of the x from all the figures. So let us consider the first diagram. So when we look at the first diagram, see all these diagrams, x is coming in the interior, right? So we have to apply the angle sum property. So what is angle sum property? The sum of three angles, interior angles, is equal to 180 degrees. So if I take the interior angles as x, y and z, sum of the three interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So in the case of first question, we have x1 of the interior angle A, we have to find out. We have the remaining two angles. So when we apply this formula, we get x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, how can we get x? X is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So x is equal to 70 degree. So what about the second question? Second question, when we see carefully, we have one angle x to be, we have to find out. You have 30 degree and you have a right angle. So it is nothing but you have this as 90 degree. So when we write the equation angle sum property, so we can write that x plus 90 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore x is equal to 60 degree. So we'll take another paper. Moving on to the third question. So what is the third question? We have the three angles x 110 degree and 30 degree. So when we apply the angle sum property, we get x plus 30 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. Therefore x is equal to 40 degree. So what about the fourth question? Fourth question also we have, see here we have x, 2x as the interior angles. So when we write the angle sum property, 50 degree plus second angle is x, third angle is also x, which is equal to 180 degree. So we can write that 50 degree plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 degree divided by 50, minus 50 degree. So 2x is equal to 130 degree. So x is equal to 130 divided by 2, which is equal to 65 degree. So now we have got the fourth question. What about the fifth question? So fifth question, see carefully, we have 3x, right? So directly we can, we know that the formula, if sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree, we can get each angle will be equal to 60 degree. We can write it. So we can write it and we can get the value also. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3, which is equal to 60 degree. So it's just proved. Now you have the final question. So final question, similarly here it is 2x, x, and this what is going to be this is equal to 90 degree. So we can write the formula 2x plus x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. 3x is equal to 90 degree. So we can get x is equal to 90 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 3 9, so 30 degree.